Norway, a land sculpted by glaciers, holds a treasure trove of natural wonders. Among them lies Saltfjellet-Svartisen National Park, a realm where ice really reigns supreme. This protected area, spanning over 2,100 square kilometers, is a testament to the raw power of nature. Here, amidst towering mountains and pristine valleys, lies a glacial giant just waiting to be discovered. Saltfjellet-Svartisen is not just a feast for the eyes, it's honestly a journey into the heart of glacial history. The park's landscape has been shaped over millennia by the relentless advance and retreat of ice. Evidence of this glacial dance can be seen everywhere, from the U-shaped valleys carved by the ice to the scattered erratics, those giant boulders deposited by the retreating glacier. This dynamic landscape is a testament to the ever-changing face of our planet. Saltfjellet-Svartisen is a place of stark contrasts. The glistening white of the glaciers stands in stark contrast to the deep green of the surrounding forests. Crystal-clear rivers, fed by glacial meltwater, cut through the landscape, their roar echoing through the valleys. The air is crisp and clean, carrying the scent of pine and damp earth. Dominating the landscape of Saltfjellet-Svartisen is Svartisen, Norway's second-largest glacier. This icy behemoth, covering an area of over 370 square kilometers, is truly a sight to behold. Its icy tongue stretches down from the mountains, its surface a mosaic of white, blue, and gray. The scale of Svartisen is honestly awe-inspiring, a reminder of the immense power of nature. Standing at the foot of Svartisen, one feels absolutely dwarfed by its immensity. The air is filled with the sound of cracking ice, a reminder that this glacier is constantly moving, constantly changing. Meltwater streams cascade down its sides, feeding the rivers and lakes that dot the landscape. The glacier is a source of life for the entire ecosystem, its meltwater sustaining a rich diversity of plants and animals. Svartisen is not just a static mass of ice, it is a dynamic entity, always shaping and reshaping the landscape. Over time, the glacier has carved out deep valleys and sculpted towering peaks. Its retreat has left behind a legacy of glacial lakes and moraines, adding to the park's scenic beauty. Beyond the icy embrace of Svartisen lies a wilderness of breathtaking beauty. Lush valleys carpeted in emerald green moss and dotted with wildflowers stretch out from the glacier's edge. Ancient forests dominated by towering pines and spruces cloak the lower slopes of the mountains, their canopies alive with the sound of birdsong. The rivers and lakes of Saltfjellet-Svartisen are honestly a sight to behold. Fed by glacial meltwater, they shimmer like jewels under the Norwegian sun. Their clear, cold waters are home to a variety of fish species while their banks teem with bird life. The sound of rushing water is a constant companion as you explore this wilderness, a reminder of the lifeblood that flows through this landscape. Towering above the valleys and forests are the mountains of Saltfjellet-Svartisen. Their rugged peaks, sculpted by glaciers over millennia, pierce the sky. These mountains offer breathtaking views of the surrounding landscape, from the vast expanse of the glacier to the patchwork of forests and lakes below. Hiking through this rugged terrain is an exhilarating experience, a chance to connect with the raw power of nature. Saltfjellet-Svartisen is home to a surprising array of wildlife, all adapted to survive in this harsh yet beautiful environment. Reindeer graze on the lichen-rich slopes, their hooves clicking against the rocks. Arctic foxes, their white coats blending in with the snow, hunt for lemmings and voles. The keen-eyed observer might even spot a musk ox, its shaggy coat protecting it from the cold. Among the most elusive and iconic inhabitants of Saltfjellet-Svartisen are the wolverine and the golden eagle. The wolverine, a powerful and solitary creature, is a symbol of the wildness of this region. Its tracks are often seen in the snow, but sightings of the animal itself are rare. The golden eagle, with its majestic wingspan and piercing gaze, soars high above the mountains, a symbol of freedom and power. These creatures are a reminder that we share this planet with a web of life far older and wilder than ourselves. To catch a glimpse of these animals in their natural habitat is a privilege, a reminder of the importance of preserving wild spaces for generations to come. Saltfjellet-Svartisen is more than just a national park, it is a sanctuary for the soul. In a world increasingly dominated by technology and the relentless pace of modern life, this wilderness offers a chance to reconnect with nature and rediscover a sense of peace.